Fierce fans, we are moments away from our very first fight of the evening, but at this time, we ask that you please rise and remove your caps as we honor our country with the singing of our national anthem. Please welcome an extremely talented vocalist to join me, Andrea Woodmansey.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Make some noise for Andrea Woodmansey.
That was awesome.
That's fun.
That
That's
was
fun. Here we go.